Hey, Mike, here's your 1962 T-Bird. Frame off restoration, fairly recent. Correct color. It is a roadster. It comes with all the accessories, the tonneaus that go into the back. Power windows, power disc brakes, power convertible top. Again, the paint is just unreal. All the chrome and trim are new as well. Love the wheels. They're just fabulous. Look at the chrome, the trim, paint. Check this out. Reflection of my watch there in the paint. Just beautiful. Gorgeous car. Interior is immaculate. Says the numbers matching. 390, 300 horse, 3-speed, automatic car, tilt wheel, AC. Just, I mean, it's got everything on it. And back in the day, man, these were big time features. So, you don't hear cars in the 60s with all the power stuff this has. But anyway, really, really cool car. Hope we can work something out. Talk to you soon. All right, see ya.